Your bank is hoping you don't know this. That mortgage rate they offered you, it's not a final number. It's a starting point for negotiation. Most people just accept it, but that's a huge financial mistake that can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Let's look at the math. On a $500,000 mortgage, a seemingly tiny 0.5% difference in your rate costs you an extra $3,120 over just 5 years. Over 10 years, that's more than $6,000. And over the full life of the loan, you're looking at over $15,000 in extra interest, money that should be in your pocket. So how do you get a better rate and keep that cash? You have 3 powerful levers. First, get multiple lender quotes. Never take the first offer. Make banks, credit unions, and online lenders compete for your business. It forces them to give you their best deal. Second, use a mortgage broker. They are experts who shop dozens of lenders on your behalf to find the absolute best loan for your situation. And here's the key part. Their service is free to you. The lender pays their commission, not the borrower. Third, leverage your credit score. It's your most powerful negotiation tool. A score of 750 or higher unlocks the lowest possible rates, while a 650 score will mean paying significantly more. The difference is thousands. Most people accept the first number their bank gives them. The ones who don't save tens of thousands. I built my mortgage calculator so you can see exactly what different rates cost you side by side. Link in bio.